All right, traders, this is Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, March 19th. There's the SPY. The daily gapped up today, ran a little bit, but ended up selling off a bit, going out at the lows. Pretty narrow range overall on the day. Couple of highlights from today, MNMD, and I only traded the morning, as most of you know. I was only able to trade the morning. I gave the idea over the mic of 925. There's the daily. Let me shift to 5 so you can kind of see it. Just a break of the early high with Friday's high not far above. And that was the reason I mentioned over the mic. Quarter number break, high of day break, and then you had Friday's high just, I don't know, less than a dime above. So the 925 break took you to 1003. You were never really underwater, so that one worked nice. Also gave an idea in MARA that worked. But actually, what's more interesting to me is the experiment I've been doing, and a lot of you are kind of doing it with me, which gave me STI today at 309, and my best sell was 349, so a 40-cent move, and killed the final shares flat, right, break even. So as always, I still protect my entry once I take some off the table, and that same experiment I'm doing gave me CRDF at 434. And by the way, I gave both of these ideas over the mic. Just to make sure that you guys knew it was the experiment I'm doing and not necessarily something that I would deem A plus yet. Anyway, CRDF gave me CRDF. The experiment gave me CRDF at 434, and my best sell was 495. I wasn't around the afternoon to get this nice break to 540 or whatever, but still I had a nice trade, right? Over 60 cents on, I want to say, less than 20 cents risk. So I'm really enjoying that, and I appreciate everyone that's kind of doing that experiment along with me. I think we're on to something big, right? I think it's a great new addition to our A plus setups that we're collectively working together on. So with all that said, you know me, I've got to throw this up for people that don't know what we do. We focus on stocks that are recently in play, but we only day trade them in between the morning bell and the afternoon bell, right? In between, make my money between the bells, right? And I'm always in cash every night. So keep that in mind when you watch the video if you're seeing it for the first time. I am looking for daily stocks that are getting action, and then I trade them on intraday the following day. CGC is one of them. Look at that big volume. Pot stocks are all pretty strong last couple days, so that one might give a setup tomorrow. NNOX. You can kind of picture a trend line here from here to here to here. Gapped up today, sold off, but then went out near the highs. I like the looks of that one. MNMD, I already mentioned this one. Had it on watch today. Still kind of over that horizontal line is kind of another breakout, but it's been running for a couple days. I do like the strength in the chart, so it goes on watch. CXAI kind of has a cup and handle thing going on. Still like the looks of that chart. MRVI had this nice pop back here, kind of bounced off that buy zone between the 8 and the 20 that we look for, and is starting to curl back up. So it's kind of a, I don't know, a sleeper pick, if you will, but I do want to watch it. PIXY, big volume today and a pretty strong close. I can kind of zoom in. You can get a better look at how big that move was today, right? LICY, also kind of a breakout today on strong volume. Maybe a follow-through day there tomorrow. LSF had a crazy move from like under a buck to 348, but then had a nasty reversal today. I still think as strong as this move was, because if you think about it, it started from here and went all the way to here. So this is just a partial retracement on lower volume. You know me, I'd like to see it get back down to the moving averages, but sometimes you get that one red day and the strength picks right back up. So I'm a day trader. I am going to keep it on watch. CRDF, already talked about the trade I took in it today. I do like the reversal. By the way, it was on bounce watch because we had 2 red days, right? And I said I would really like another red day to get us down to this buy zone between the 8 and the 20. Well, technically, it did that intraday today, and that's where the experiment came in from. Gave us a great entry, anyone that did that with me. But I still think it might follow through and just head back up tomorrow because it's been so darn strong, right? So it goes on watch. RUM just goes on watch. Another narrow red day, even lower volume. You had a big 2-day pop, 3 days lower on declining volume. Just might turn up again tomorrow. CCCC. Okay, I'm not in love with this one. But it had great strength here, and now you've got that 3 stair step look down, also kind of retesting that horizontal line is kind of the breakout area, right? And it's come down to retest that. So I do like it for a potential bounce play setup tomorrow if we get one. And then lastly, CDLX had the big pop on Friday. Quiet inside day today, much lower volume. Maybe a third day play tomorrow. That's it for me. We'll add other gappers as we always do together in the pre-market. Love the teamwork. And I'll see everybody in chat tomorrow. Have a great night.